Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to share today comes from the experience of technicians working in this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to find the solution. When a client brings in their oven showing F8E0, the first thing we notice is that this code indicates a communication problem between the electronic control and the temperature sensor. Technicians always clarify that this doesn't mean the oven is broken. It's a safety feature that stops the system from operating. One client told us, "It was preheating and suddenly F8E0 appeared. I couldn't use any of the oven functions," which is something we see frequently in the shop and gives us a good starting point for troubleshooting. On the other hand, many clients discover that a loose or poorly connected sensor can trigger the error. One client said, "I just tightened a loose connector and the error disappeared." Technicians always check these connections first because it's surprising how often a simple reconnection solves the problem. Additionally, another client mentioned that dirt or food debris near the sensors or at the back of the oven was causing F8E0. They told us, after cleaning the back and the sensors thoroughly, the oven stopped showing the error. Technicians explain that sensors are very sensitive and any residue can interfere with the reading, causing the oven to stop as a safety measure. Similarly, several clients have experienced that faults in the control board or internal modules can be the cause when sensors and connections are fine, but the error persists. One client said, "Everything seemed perfect, but after replacing the control board, the oven worked without any issues." In these cases, professional intervention is key because the internal electronics are delicate and require technical expertise. Meanwhile, other clients noticed that automatic preheating or convection cycles could trigger F8E0 if the oven detected a temperature out of range during startup. One client said, "The error only appeared when using certain functions, but switching the cycle worked perfectly." This helps identify whether the problem is tied to a specific mode or the oven as a whole. Finally, we can't forget that electrical issues or voltage spikes can affect sensor readings and cause the error. One client shared, "After a lightning storm, F8E0 appeared, and using a surge protector fixed the problem." Technicians always recommend checking the power supply and ensuring the oven is protected against voltage fluctuations.